Uganda's land size equals 241,038 square kilometers. Of this, wetland cover has surprisingly reduced from 36,155 square kilometers, 15% in 1994, to 19,283 square kilometers, 8% as of last year. As climate protection gains force, Uganda, the United Nations, and other support organizations are working towards restoring domestic wetlands, a model for other countries facing similar challenges.
However, we realize that there's need for double effort because of the rampant degradation which is still taking place, especially in the urban areas. Friends, today I challenge you to be part of the fight against this impunity, especially you, the media fraternity, and continued encroachment on the wetland, because the cost of inaction will not spare anybody. And I keep on telling friends that Salumanya ne Nalumanya, we shall suffer the same fate.
According to inventory data, between 1994 and 2015, wetland cover shrunk from 15.6% to 13%. Of the 13%, only 8.9% was found to be intact and over 4.1% degraded. The government has in turn taken notice and implemented several efforts to amend this. Uganda receives 40% of its rain from wetland processes, locally and from South Sudan, plus the Congo forest. The wetland declined to 8%, 19,283 square kilometers as of last year. It's a response to conversion into other land use models, translating into biodiversity loss and a challenge to agricultural production processes.
One of the issues that you need to know is that in this country we have, I say we, because I'm also Ugandan, we have cut down the tree cover and we are relying heavily. You find that many of the areas, they are relying on rain-fed agriculture. You just do plant without irrigation. You are next to the river. You have got their crops drying. You are getting low yields, but you are just next to the river. We, knowingly or unknowingly, we have waged war. I can say we have waged war on wetlands by clearing wetlands, and these wetlands are actually the ones which can actually absorb this excessive surface runoff, so that this surface runoff doesn't cause havoc.
Besides the shrinking wetlands, numerous practices inspired by human activities such as urbanization have contributed to conservation setbacks, inciting further calls for protection as induced issues such as waste management become pertinent.
We are failing to train these key important players around waste management. And you know the reason? Because everyone sees it's waste, it's dirty work. I myself, my first research when I'm becoming an activist, that's where I went. And I can tell you that if we train these stakeholders and improve their standards at work, the youth will be attracted to join that industry.
Uganda will join the entire world to celebrate the International Conservation Day tomorrow. The Ministry of Water and Environment, in sync with the day's theme, It's Time for Wetland Restoration, intends to advocate for further environmental protection with partners such as NEMA. Martha Nimsima, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.